everyone, welcome back to another episode of Cook with Efita. Today we are making a flavorful coconut rice with basmati rice. What we are going to be needing. So today I'll be using my goat meat and my beef mixed together. Then I'll be using my coconut milk, my pepper and my tomatoes, and also my green pepper, my yellow pepper and my red pepper. You can start by adding your washed goat meat and beef into a clean pot. Stir and then add your chopped pepper and onion. You can add your paprika to taste. Then you can also add your bay leaf, your rosemary and your thyme to give it a nice taste. Next, adding your curry, your beef spice. I like using my lasso chicken and also my goat meat spice, salt and Maggi to taste. Then cover and allow it to steam for a few minutes. Then you pour in some water and let it cook until the meat is tender. Cover and allow it to cook for a while. Then remove the meat and set the stock aside, which we are going to be using the stock later on. But the meat, you can totally use a different protein for it. It's totally optional. You can use your chicken, you can use your turkey to make this wonderful coconut rice. In the same pot, pour in some groundnut oil and fry the meat until it is golden brown. You wouldn't want to fry your meat anyhow and serve your family and your friends. Trust me. Fry it till it is golden brown, then you remove it. Once it's done, remove it and set it aside in a separate bowl. Now add your butter in a pot, flavored by your chopped onion and your ginger. I love adding bay leaf for extra flavor. Stir in some thyme and curry powder. Then let it fry for a minute. Then add your chopped pepper and your onion. Fry for about 5 good minutes. Next, you pour in the meat stock, which we set aside. Pour in your meat stock and your coconut milk. You stir well and let it come to a boil. Season with your salt, your Maggi, and your crayfish. It depends on the volume of crayfish you like using in your food. It is time to add in your basmati rice. If you are not sure on how to cook or prepare basmati rice, let me know in the comment section. I will show you how to make your basmati rice. Stir the rice and cover in with a foil paper to trap the heat and let it cook for a bit. Once it's almost done, add in your chopped green, yellow, and red pepper. Cook for another 2 minutes and stir well, and your delicious coconut rice is ready to enjoy. This is what we call coconut rice. I paired mine with fried plantain and seasoned meat, just like asun. Enjoy and don't forget to like and share, comment and subscribe for more videos. Bye for now.